Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a extremely fun Dollar Tree haul because you guys, I finally found all my wish list items for my fall decor. I have not found all my wish list items yet, but for my fall, we're good to go. So mostly I'm going to pre-warn you, this is mostly going to be fall signs, and I went a little crazy. Okay. So first let me get my boring stuff out of the way that I needed to grab for the house. We were completely out of Q-tips and I just grabbed these. I'm not a fan of Dollar Tree Q-tips just for the simple fact because the plastic part of it is not very secure, and I have had the end of the Q-tip break off into my ear and I did not like that, so I just had to grab these. They were in the spur of the moment. I didn't feel like walking into Walmart just for Q-tips, so I just went ahead and grabbed these, and that is the 300 count. Alright, and then I have seen a lot of people talk about these a while ago, and I actually ran out of my Swiffer wet jet cloths. And once again, I didn't want to go into Walmart for just Q-tips and Swiffer wet jet stuff because I'd be walking to one side of the store to the other side, and I didn't want to do that. So I decided to grab these. I saw some people haul these and say that these actually worked almost just as good as the Swiffer wet jets. And these are just the Dollar Tree brand. These are called the Scrub Buddies, and it says that it's good for tough cleaning. And it has a quilted texture. You do get 10 in a pack. I guess this was the value pack. And it says it's a wet sweeper cloth refill recharge. Girl, I'm going into another language. Okay, we need to. Fits Swiffer sweepers. So let's see if these bad boys work. Let me know if you guys want to know if these actually really work. I hope they smell as good as a Swiffer, because that's my only thing that I love about my Swiffer is how good the cloths make my house smell. I just grabbed some toothbrushes. I always get these in soft just for the simple fact because I think that the medium and hard toothbrushes are just way too hard for your teeth, and I think it's uncomfortable while you're brushing your teeth, so I always just grab the soft bristles. This is just Colgate 2 in a pack. Their toothbrushes. I don't see the point. They just clean your teeth and go. Alright, and then, alright, here is, well, let me get my non-wish list items out of the way. So, you guys, if you guys go to your Dollar Tree, if you religiously go to your Dollar Tree, you guys know that they are setting out some Halloween decor. My Dollar Tree is only setting out so far like stuff to make mesh, to make wreaths, crafts and stuff like that. I haven't seen any like Halloween decor yet. So I stumbled across these two bad boys. I thought these were really cute, and look at the colors. Pink, purple, and white. Super adorable with the gold glittering. I just fell in love with that color scheme. I think it would be really pretty. And it says it includes 1 wood piece, 3 acrylic paints, and this is, each of the paint brushes are like 7 fluid ounce and all that jazz. And then we have it in another language. And then it says it is good for 5+. I'm sorry, you can never be too old to just do fun things like this. I'm sorry. So I bought this and one for a friend. Alright, and then I have no room. I've got to clean my, alright. Wish list items, you guys. So a lot of people have been hauling these really cute scarecrows, and I really love the color scheme that they went with this year. The ones last year I kind of think were a little just tacky looking, but when a lot of people were hauling these, I fell in love with these. I thought these were really cute, really pretty, and it screams country farmhouse. I really love the black and white checker print, and then once again his overalls are the same, and then it just has the little flower right there, and then of course his little scarecrow feet, hands, and hair. I just really think that these ones, they actually like made these look a little bit more better. And then of course he has a pumpkin face. So he was a wish list item found. Alright, and then the next two wish list items I found are the Secret. And you guys, Secret at the Dollar Tree, I actually want to do a lookup of these really quick and let you guys know. But these are the Secret Body Cleansing Wipes. You get 15, and this one is in the scent Calm Birch Water. You get 15 wipes, and you guys, these are great for traveling, throw in your purse to freshen up. Personally, I know I'll definitely get good use out of these as I'm traveling to Nashville in a couple months. But this is what the little packaging of them look like. You can barely smell a scent, and I don't want to open one up, but I'm gonna look these up to see how much they were. So I got this one in the Calm Birch Water, and then I got the one in Cool Water Lily, and again 15 wipes. You guys, $2. I get 30 wipes to freshen up, anything to that nature, and it's Secret. So let me see how much these really cost. Okay, you guys, it looks like for one single package of this on Amazon is $8.35. And let's see. Alright, so one person, this is selling from a store, Walmart. These are $2.97. So you saved almost $2 because they're almost $3 a piece for a box. So yeah, you saved $2 for these. And I just paid $2 and I got 30 instead of 15. So I think those are a really great deal if you can find those. And it's Secret, it's name brand, you guys. Alright, so here is my sign. I went a little crazy, but you guys, it was so worth it. I have been on the hunt for these guys. Everybody that I watch have been hauling these, and I'm like, oh my god, when is my Dollar Tree gonna get with the program? And today they finally got with the program, you guys. So this is one item that was on my wish list. I love how this looks. This looks like a mason jar, and then of course you have the red truck with the pumpkins, a barn house. Of course this is glitter. This is like a little cheaply burlap, but it's still cute, girl. So yeah, you could DIY with this. Definitely, if you don't want any fallout, hairspray that a little bit and you won't have any fallout. But just look how gorgeous that is. This would be good, really pretty, I think, if you like wanted to make it a center wreath. I think that would be cute. Or to just set up, what I like to do is I like to take Dollar Tree signs and set them throughout my house on easels, because I just think that they look really pretty that way. Alright, and then this is my other wish list item of finds, and this is just in the shape of a pumpkin with a little bit of a ribbon right here, and then a metal type leaf, and then it just says thankful and blessed. And I know exactly where this bad boy is going in my house. I already have my fall decor up, and it's not even the second week of August. Hi you guys, I'm that girl. I'm that girl. Alright, so I bought this sign specifically for a DIY that I saw on YouTube, I believe. I'm not going to do a video because it's already on YouTube, and I don't want to take that person's idea, and because that's just rude. But I am going to definitely recreate this person's DIY, and all she did was cut this off, and she put like burlap string, I think, or rope around it, and it just like really made this red truck look entirely different. And of course this pumpkin, I don't know, I'm just not obsessed with these signs. I don't really like this style of a sign, but I am definitely recreating that. Alright, this is definitely going in next to my coffee station, because this is just perfect next to my coffee station, you guys. And why is it perfect? Because it says pumpkin spice and everything nice. Girl, yeah. So this is definitely going next to my coffee station. I just love Dollar Tree signs, I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Alright, and then the next one I got is an old sign, but I've never picked it up personally. And this is just the little pumpkin, and this is like the chalkboard material. You can write on it. And then it has, of course, the little metal leaf, and then it has the little burlap string, whatever you want to call this. You can hang it, or you can display it, anything to that nature. I think this would be really cute since for back to school purposes. Like if you're, like somehow make them like a magnet or something, put it on the back. If you have kids, like put little reminder notes saying like, don't forget your lunch, or blah 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 blah, or it could even be to your husband if you don't have kids. I just think this would be really cute to just display in your kitchen, on your fridge for purposes like that. So that's why I grabbed that, because my mind's always moving. Alright, these are definitely wish list items, and this one is it's another sign, you guys, so don't get This says farm fresh, locally grown produce, and it says 100% organic, and then it just has like the little metal leaf up here. You can hang it, which I'm actually thinking about hanging these on my cupboards. I think this would go really nice in my kitchen like that. So yeah, that's why I picked that up. And then I picked this one up. This one says farm fresh, hand-picked pumpkins, daily, 100% organic. You can also hang it. You can DIY with it. You can do whatever you want. I just hit myself. And then you have a metal leaf up here once again. Alright, and then this are my last two things, and these are definitely wish list items. And of course they are the blue pickup truck with the pumpkins in the back, and it just says Happy Harvest. I actually saw a sign at Hobby Lobby the other day that I went in there. Now, the sign was obviously made out of wood, but it had the same painting of this, and they wanted like $29 for it. And I mean, granted, yeah, it was on a piece of wood, and the painting, the same exact paint, it looked just like this, was hanging at Hobby Lobby, and I was like, yeah, you could DIY that. Like, you could totally DIY that. So yeah, I grabbed this. I don't know what I'm going to do quite yet with these, but definitely I grabbed them because they're the red truck, okay? And then of course, you guys, I picked up the red truck with the pumpkins in the back, and it also says Happy Harvest. And then we also just have the metal leaf up here with the little twine. So yeah, that is everything that I picked up from my Dollar Tree. Found all my fall wish list items. I'm so happy. I can't wait to see what Halloween stuff they have and all that stuff. I just can't wait to see. I love Dollar Tree. Let me know if you guys have found any of these items. If you have, let me know down in the comments. Don't be scared to say, talk to me, do anything to that nature. And yeah, I upload every 3 days due to working purposes, and I'll see you soon in my next video. You guys rock. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise. You're beautiful, and stay true to yourself. See you guys.